Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best GoPro camera is probably one of the most sought-after action cameras in the market, renowned for its durability, image stabilization, and versatility, making it a top choice for adventurers and professionals alike. But with various models and price points available, choosing the right GoPro can be overwhelming. This video will break down the pricing of GoPro cameras, helping you understand what you're paying for and find the perfect model to suit your needs and budget. Number 5. GoPro Hero 7 Black. It's the ultimate action camera, capturing every moment in stunning detail. Get ready for incredible 4K video and 12MP photos. Say goodbye to shaky footage. It delivers gimbal-like stabilization, making your videos incredibly smooth and professional looking. Transform your adventures into captivating time-lapse. Speed up your footage up to 30x to create shareable highlights. Share your experiences live. Stream in 720p with hyper-smooth stabilization and save your footage to your SD card. It's built to withstand anything. Waterproof to 33 feet without a housing, it's ready for any adventure you throw at it. Get amazing photos automatically. It intelligently optimizes your shots using HDR, local tone mapping, or noise reduction. Go hands-free. Use 16 voice commands in multiple languages to control it easily. Just say, GoPro, take a photo. Capture breathtaking moments. It shoots stunning 4K 60 video and 12MP photos that are as awesome as the moments themselves. What we like. It offers incredibly smooth footage, even without a gimbal. You can also create amazing time-lapse. If you need to share your adventures live, this is perfect for you. What people say. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is a true game-changer for anyone looking to capture their most epic moments in stunning detail. With 4K Ultra HD video recording, you can shoot crystal-clear footage that's perfect for high-quality vlogs, action shots, or travel adventures. The 12MP photos are equally impressive, delivering sharp and vibrant images even in challenging conditions. The waterproof design is a huge plus, making it perfect for underwater shots or wet weather filming. The touchscreen is responsive and easy to use, allowing you to quickly adjust settings or preview your shots. Firstly, the hypersmooth setting is genuinely impressive. Even going down rough, rocky trails on a mountain, the footage is shockingly smooth. The stabilization in the time warp hyperlapse video mode is not quite as good as in the hypersmooth mode but works well. The Superphoto HDR setting in photo mode also works shockingly well. I've been pleasantly surprised with the images it produces in the linear FOV with Superphoto turned on. The image stabilization is amazing. This action camera really makes anyone that isn't very good filming look pretty decent. The time warp feature is one of the coolest things I've played around with. The built-in mics are better than ever. I'm pretty impressed with the sound quality, and then if you add a mic setup, it is, wow. So for what this thing can do out of the box is amazing, but just messing with some of the features can enhance the quality so much. Number 4. GoPro Hero 5 Black Action Camera. Get ready to capture breathtaking moments with the GoPro Hero 5 Black. It's the ultimate action camera for your adventures, delivering stunning 4K video and 12MP photos. It shoots incredible 4K video and 12MP photos. Choose from single shots, bursts, or time-lapse to capture every detail. It's built tough. This camera is waterproof to 33 feet, so you can take it anywhere, without a housing. Capture the passage of time with ease. It offers various time-lapse intervals, from 0.5 seconds to 60 seconds. Preview, playback, and adjust settings directly on its touch screen. It makes editing your footage a breeze. It's designed for simplicity. Review the user manual and instruction video for optimal performance. What we like. It captures stunning 4K videos and 12MP photos. It's also waterproof, so you can take it anywhere. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile action camera, this is a great choice. What people say. Takes great looking 720p, 1080p, and 4K video, even in low light conditions. 1080p at 120 frames per second is a sweet spot for video reviews. Audio without an external microphone is quite good. Number 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Get ready to capture stunning moments like never before. This action camera is packed with features to make your videos and photos incredible. Shoot breathtaking 5K video. It's perfect for capturing every detail, even when you zoom in later. Capture crisp, professional quality 20MP photos. Super Photo automatically selects the best image processing settings for you. With a larger rear touchscreen and a new front display, framing your shots is easier than ever. Intuitive touch controls make it a breeze. Live stream in 1080p on your favorite social media platforms. It also doubles as a webcam for your computer. Experience the smoothest videos yet with our most advanced video stabilization. Say goodbye to shaky footage. Create captivating time-lapse videos of your adventures. It's perfect for showcasing movement and capturing the essence of your journey. It's built to withstand the toughest conditions. It's waterproof down to 33 feet, so you can take it anywhere. In the box, you'll find the camera, a rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle, USB-C cable, thumb screw, and a protective case. Everything you need to get started. What we like. This camera shoots stunning 5K video and has a front LCD for easy framing. It also boasts Hypersmooth 3.0 for incredibly smooth footage. If you want the best image quality and easy usability, this is the one for you. What people say. The videos look realistic. Closer to what you would see with the naked eye than with other cameras I've used. The stabilization on the GoPro is far better. The video quality is far better. The ability to take pictures and video record makes my vlogging simple. Very compact, not clunky. What was more impressive at how clear the videos were when I uploaded them. And transferring to a video program was super easy. Number 2. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Get ready to capture stunning moments like never before. It's packed with incredible features to elevate your videos and photos. Shoot breathtaking 5K video. It maintains incredible detail, even when zoomed in, thanks to its powerful new sensor. Capture crisp, professional quality 20MP photos. Super Photo automatically selects the best image processing for perfect shots every time. It features a larger, intuitive rear touchscreen and a convenient front display. Framing your shots and controlling it has never been easier. Power through your adventures. It boasts a 30% longer battery life, letting you shoot more without interruption. Experience ultimate smoothness with our most advanced video stabilization yet. It delivers incredibly steady footage, no matter the activity. Share your adventures live in 1080p or use it as a webcam for crystal clear video calls. What we like. It shoots amazing 5K video and 20MP photos. Plus, it has a significantly longer battery life. If you need a camera that can keep up with you all day, this is the perfect option. What people say. GoPro really is the standard for underwater video action cams. Love this camera, with additional batteries for backup and a good underwater casing. I've used it probably 20 times and each time it's rolling for at least a few hours at a time, but most of the time it's on for like 10 hours. Good sound quality for the microphone, good quality video captured. Number 1. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Get ready to capture stunning moments like never before. It's waterproof, versatile, and ready for any adventure. Experience an expansive field of view. It gives you more creative possibilities with every shot. With 5.3K video, it offers incredible detail and cinematic quality. The water-repelling lens ensures stunning results. Capture 27MP photos and smooth 5.3K 60 video. It also records slow-motion footage to catch every detail. Enjoy incredibly smooth footage, even during the most intense activities. Hypersmooth 5.0 delivers exceptional stabilization. It comes with everything you need to get started: camera, battery, case, mounts, and more. Start your adventure today. What we like. This model offers incredible 5.3K video and 27MP photos. It also features the award-winning Hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization. If you demand the highest quality footage and the smoothest video possible, this is your best bet. What people say. The stabilization makes even handheld shots look smooth, and it's super easy to set up and use. A great addition to my kit. The ability to record at high resolution is great. The picture quality is excellent, and it captured the entire hunt just as I had hoped. Using that setting, I am able to get about 75 minutes of uninterrupted recording time, and operating at this setting makes the video much less distorted at the expense of a narrower field of view. This is a very rugged piece of gear, with the bare camera waterproof down to 33 feet. The camera can operate at various resolutions and frame rates, allowing both time-lapse and slow-motion video. It has replaceable batteries, so you can keep spares on hand for long recording sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.